All right, drink we're about to make is called Sunshine Cocktail. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there. And let it sit while you're making your drink. Should get nice and chilled. Okay, fill up your glass with ice, and we'll measure out 1.5 ounces. And we're going to stir it up, so get your strainer and your spoon. Give it a good stir. This should get it nice and cold. Since we're serving it up without ice, you always want to make sure that you get it as cold as you can. Dump out your ice water and use your strainer to pour it in. Now we'll just give it a twist of orange peel. Drop it in there. Bottoms up.